Hey everybody, Anthony Dodgemouth, train outside the American Outsider, a Night of the Rhomboid Table here with the beginning of the third of our Advent Calendar reveals for the Faller Noch Advent Calendar figures. Day 9 already, so 24 days, 8 are gone, 1/3 of it's already gone, so let's get into it. I'm babbling. So on the Noch calendar, day 9 is right here in the bottom left quadrant. So let me set up the camera and we'll get the door open. All right, so here we go. Day 9 and pop. And what do we have? Another backpacker. It looks like we'll get it out. So, yeah, we have a, gotta get my finger out of the way. Another backpacker. So already 3 of those, so that's cool. All right, let's go to the Faller calendar. And on the Faller calendar, day 9 is kind of in the middle here, so I'll set the camera up again and we'll get that door open. All right, so day 9 it is. We'll see if we have another alpaca. No, we don't. It is another police officer to go with the one we got early in the series. So let me peel that off. But there we go. Another police officer. So that's cool. Could use some firemen too. So, Tuesday is Ladies' Day here at the Faller Noch Calendar reveals. We've got a lady hiker and a lady officer. So, again, very useful figures. So, that is day 9. We got a female hiker and a female police officer. 2 very useful figures. A good day. And on that note, we will say, Auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, happy trains, Merry Christmas, and take care, everybody.